Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool and strange looking Growler skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this cool looking character, and to begin we're gonna start out with this. It's got a really big head and it's kind of round, so we're just gonna draw one big circle first. So however you want to do it, maybe you can use some kind of drawing aid to help you draw a circle, or you can just freehand it. It's not a big deal if it's wobbly. So this is gonna be the size of his head. Okay, so once we have that, come down on the bottom here, just gonna draw two lines first. Okay, and then go to the middle of the circle, which is gonna be right around here, and then go up slightly. So I'm gonna make a little dot, and then I'm gonna draw the inside of the this little hoodie thing. So from here, the middle, just gonna curve all the way down to this point here. So we're just drawing an opening in this giant hoodie. Okay, so it's a little bit of a tricky shape, but once you have this, now we can draw in the rest of the face, and it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay, so let's start on the top and just come up in the middle here. I'm just gonna draw like a little V, and then this is gonna be the nose. And we can actually draw in a line in the center. Okay, and then go out to the side from the nose. Just go out to the side. This one will be the eyeball. On each side, just draw like a little oval. And then from there, let's see, we can draw in a line as well. So just come to the middle, and we're just kind of connecting these, so it shouldn't be too bad. Then on the bottom here, okay, and since we're up here, let's just go ahead and finish up the ear here. So right next to the eye, just go out, and then just come back in. So just a little flap for the ears. Go out, come back in, and then now let's go ahead and finish up the inside. So there's gonna be looks like two eyes in here. So right around here, it's almost like a half circle. And then once you have that, we just gonna draw one big curve all the way around. So it's almost like a smiley face. Okay, and then from here we can draw in some of the teeth. So we can start, let's see, in the middle here, just draw a smaller one, and then on each side I'm gonna draw two more. And then now for the bigger teeth, just kind of come all the way down. And then on the bottom here, just draw one line, little curve, and then I'm just gonna add two teeth on the corner and leave it at that, because there's a lot of little teeth going on, and we actually don't have to draw all those. Okay, and then to finish it off, just add one more little detail on the bottom here. Alright, so it's definitely a very unique looking head, nicely designed. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the body. So he's got a really big, looks like, I don't know, some kind of neck wrapping or shoulder pads. So just come out to the side, come down, and then we're just gonna draw one big curve all the way around. Just go all the way around. Okay, and then we're gonna divide this up. So this is actually two flaps. So just start, here's the middle, come over a little bit to this side. I'm just gonna draw one line like that. So this is gonna be one, and that's gonna be another flap. And then to add in some details here, we just draw another line. Looks like different materials. So from here, just kind of go out. Okay, and we'll be able to see those once I color those. Alright, so now let's finish up the jacket, and it's got a really big jacket here. So let's just start in the middle first. So on the side here, just gonna come down. And then right on the side of the head, you come down, this is gonna be like his armpit area. I'm gonna come down again. So here, side of the head, come down. So I'm gonna close it off. This is gonna be the bottom of his jacket. And then before drawing the arms, let's just go ahead and finish up his waist down here. So just kind of come down here, and then close this off. Alright, and then that's a good stopping point, and then let's finish up the arm. So here's the armpit, right around here. And then for the jacket, we just gotta continue this curve. Just go down, okay, all the way down here. So go back up here to the armpit and just kind of, this one's a little bit straighter. So go all the way down and then close it. That's gonna be, I guess, the sleeve, the tip of the jacket. Okay, and then now for the other side, so same thing here, just kind of come in slightly and then just curve all the way down. Same thing here. So here's the armpit. Close it, one little detail. And let's go ahead and draw in the hands first. So little hook, back of the fist, turn it, close it off. And then same thing on the other side. Little hook, back of the fist, and then curve it and just close it. Alright, so now we can add in some details to the jacket, and yeah, this one should be easy. So just come to the middle here, let's draw on the inside. Just one curve. And then the middle, we'll just go straight down. And then for the jacket in here, we're just gonna draw another line following that angle. Okay, and then on the shoulders, on the sleeve here, there's gonna be one strap. And then looks like there's another little, some kind of badge there, or decal. So same thing on this side, one strap. Okay, so that's the upper body, and let's move on to his legs. So his legs in the middle here come down. I'm going to draw one line, come back to the middle. I'm going to draw another line slanting down, just adding some folds, and then coming back to the hip here, come down and hook it, back to the middle, down, hook it, and then let's just close it off with a slight curve. And let's see, this part's kind of the knee here, so I'm just gonna come down straight and then close it off with the opposite curve. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Come down, angle, back here, down, angle. Same thing, close it with a curve. And for his knee, straight, close it with the opposite curve. And then for his lower leg, it's really simple. This one's gonna flare out a little bit more. It's a little bit of baggy pants. Close it off. And then dome shape coming down. Just go out a little bit more on this side. Close it, and then let's just add one section. Okay, same thing on the other side. Let's see, come down, angle, use the other side for reference. And same thing for the shoe, dome, close it, one section. And then lastly, for some details on the pants, just gotta draw one bar here, right underneath the knee. And then up here, just start in the mid, on the side here, come straight down in the middle of the leg, and then curve out, just slant it out. So start here, come straight down, slant it out. And lastly, I'm just gonna add one little line in the middle. And that is it for this very cool looking Growler skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.